Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us this morning. I am Jessica Guarino. I am the legal assistant and funding coordinator here at the Parents Estate Planning Law Firm.
And I am Lori Darling, our client services coordinator here at the firm.
We are going to spend some time this morning asking Lori some questions and getting some answers to the most frequently asked questions she gets from our prospective clients. All right.
Okay, I am ready.
All right, then let's get right to it. So the first question I have is, why should we engage your firm? What makes your firm unique?
Okay, there are a number of reasons why our firm is unique. For one, we only focus on estate planning here and mostly work with young families and empty nesters. So unlike a firm that focuses more on general legal work, this is all we do each day, every day. Estate planning is our passion. We pride ourselves on really being here for our clients. We do not charge for phone calls, so people don't have to put off asking really important questions in fear of receiving a big bill in the mail. Let's be honest. It's easy to put off things like that because you don't want to have to deal with that. So we're always happy to set up calls with David or Emily, and that way our clients can ask for referrals, advice in a timely manner. We are very much team-oriented here. So when somebody's off, our clients don't have to wait. We are more than happy to have somebody else on our team get back to them with prompt answers, information, and that way they're taken care of. Another reason why our firm is unique is that we not only help you protect your family and your assets, but we also help you pass down your intangibles, meaning your personal legacy. For all of our clients, we include an audio recording called a legacy interview. Legacy interviews are how we ensure that you transition not only your financial wealth after you're gone, but your even more valuable wealth, who you are and what's important to you. It's what your family will treasure most for generations, honestly.
Absolutely. Absolutely. That's great. All right. So when I set up an initial consultation, what should I expect at that meeting?
Okay. So the initial consultation will last for about 2 hours. The first hour is spent meeting with either David or Emily so they can get to know you. They can discuss your goals and explain what a comprehensive estate plan looks like. There's so many components, they all work together. We want to make sure you have the education and really understand how all the pieces work together. They will review your financial picture and discuss where things stand for you now, with either no plan currently in place or an outdated plan, neither of which are working for you, and really discuss what it would take to get you to where you need to be with your planning. And then if you choose to engage our firm, we've built in the second hour already to begin designing your plan. So that's what the 2 hours would consist of.
Great. And would I need to do anything to prepare for that meeting?
We don't ask much. We know that it's already daunting as it is sometimes to get this going. We don't ask a lot of people before they come in, just some basic contact information about their family. And we want just a general idea of their assets before meeting with you. So we just collect a little bit about your finances and your family, and the rest we're happy to learn when we meet with you.
Great. Nobody likes to do too much homework,
No.
right? All right, so once I engage your firm, how long before I'll have a plan in place?
Okay, so between when you come in and engage as a client and when we have you back in for a signing is about 4 weeks. That's it. So in just 4 weeks, you'll have a plan in place that is ready to work for you. This gives our clients tremendous peace of mind. It's a super quick turnaround. It's not like the firms where you go in and then months go by and you don't hear from them again. And then, let's be honest, it gets put on the back burner. We pride ourselves on having a timeline, sticking to the timeline, and just making sure that things are done promptly and our clients can sleep at night. So,
Great.
4
That's
weeks.
great. All right. Well, why shouldn't I use a company like LegalZoom or just write something up myself and have it notarized?
It's a common question. So our attorneys often meet with clients who have used online document services in the past. And when they review the plan, they find there are gaps and mistakes in this plan that were completely avoidable. If you work with one of these online document services, who can your family reach out to in a time of crisis with any questions? There's no one to turn to. It is always advised to go to a professional for these very important matters, and not leave it to chance just to save some money. We often liken it to a kind of like do-it-yourself plumbing work.
Mhm.
Sure, you could pull up YouTube, you can figure out how to do some plumbing work on your own. But when a pipe bursts and floods your house, that's when you realize the cost, the true cost of the do-it-yourself method.
Yes.
So in the beginning, you're like, oh, I could save some money. But really, you're losing so much more.
Yeah.
Go straight to the professionals who are extremely experienced and can do it the right way.
Right. Right. As they say, sometimes you get what you pay for.
You really do. Yep.
All right. Now, I don't have a lot of assets, so do I still need a plan?
Yes, very popular misconception and a very common question. Estate planning is not a matter of how much you have, but more so how you protect what you have. Matters of death and incapacity can be more complicated than people think. We often say that you just don't know what you don't know. This is why we advise people to come in, no matter how big or small they think their financial picture is. Meet with one of our attorneys, discuss their individual situation and goals, and allow us to share the options available to protect not only their assets, but their family as well. People are often very surprised after they come in and we go through everything, how much they truly do have and what it would take to protect it. It's
And what to do?
Yeah.
Right. So once I create a plan, what if something changes? What if my family expands? Is it easy to adjust that plan?
Yes. Adjusting your plan is a very simple process. As part of our services, we check in with our clients every 3 years. And that's a time when we basically check in and we see if there's any needs for updates to their paperwork. And if not, great. They have peace of mind that for another few years, their plan is working properly the way that they had set it up originally. And if there are adjustments, and we see this all the time, their families expand. Now we want to include more children, or maybe my permanent guardian needs to be adjusted. They moved out of country, whatever it may be, it's simple for us. We would just quote a nominal fee, and then basically we would have you back in a few weeks later, sign this updated paperwork, and now you're completely up to date again. So it's not like the firms that do it once and never check in again. That's not how we are. We really pride ourselves on being there for our clients and ensuring that their plans are always up to date. So with these every 3-year check-ins, your plan won't get stale. So that's something that we really pride ourselves on.
That's great. That's great to know. All right. So my next question, I have estate planning benefits through my employer. Do you accept those benefits?
So we don't accept employer-provided estate planning benefits such as ARAG or Hyatt because we know that these plans do not offer enough when it comes to what you and your family should have in place. We want our clients to leave here with a comprehensive estate plan. And what we see with employer-provided estate planning benefits is that they offer the minimum coverage, and that is just not enough. So that's why we don't accept it.
Understandable. All right, so I have one more here, and it's not so much a question as a statement that I'm sure a lot of us say, and I'm sure you hear quite often, is I just don't have the time to do this right now.
Yes, so this is common as well, and we completely understand because let's face it, these days, everyone is busy, and it seems impossible to find the time to do this. Now more than ever, people are realizing the importance of having a plan in place to protect their families from the unknown. Our team is committed to working with you to accomplish this. We have several meeting options available to fit estate planning into what we realize is already a very full schedule. Juggling, right?
Yeah,
Juggling
yes.
act. So we have a process by which we can get a plan in place for you promptly and efficiently. So we realize that everyone's busy, but a lot of people are home now. So we are more than happy to speak with you and discuss how we can get a plan in place for you during this uncertain time, by meeting with you via Zoom call, or we having a lot of appointments over the phone for different things. Just kind of being flexible with our clients and just keeping them safe, but also using this time to really think about our priorities and getting everything into place that will protect our families. So we're here. We're here for you.
We are. Very important, very important. Well, that's all I have this morning. So thank you, Laurie, for taking this time with us to answer these questions. And thanks everyone for watching.
Thanks for joining us.
As always, if you have any additional questions, if you'd like to speak with a member of our team, please give our office a call. We're happy to talk to you. Our number is 978-263-6900. And we are here to talk to you if you have anything we can help you with. And have a great day, everyone. Stay well.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.